Okay, so I got these two things from a yard sale, and the one is actually a planter. The other one's a gazing ball. So what I'm going to do is, I like the way that this sets, the ball sits on top of this. So I'm actually going to spray paint all of this copper and make it one color and put it together. So here I go. I'm gonna spray paint this thing, and I'm just kind of holding my can about 12 inches back. I'm just gonna make sure I spray all the places, and then I'm gonna turn it upside down. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this. I'm kind of thinking outside the box. I'm gonna use this instead of turning it the right side. I'm going to use this part as the top part. So it's actually supposed to be, that's supposed to be the top, and this is supposed to be the bottom. But I like the little things that are sticking up. So I'm going to use that part as my my top part. But I'm just going around each side and spraying it. You want to do that. And also you want to, whenever you spray paint something, you want to turn it right side up and then upside down and spray paint it both ways. I'm going to hit my ball now. Okay, now I'm going to turn this upside down and paint it again. Or it's going to be actually right side up. See how it's got all that paint that hasn't been covered? Starting with the top. Painting all that. Hit all that. And going around. Because that way you can hit every angle. Just keep going around. I'm going to let it dry, come back out here, and see a little place. Flip it right side up again, and hit it again, and then put it on top of there. So, I'll go ahead and just to show y'all what it looks like. Oops. Keep on spraying it. And then I'm going to put the ball on top of there. Hold on just a second. Okay. Finish spraying my ball. And that's what it looks like. Gazing ball.